Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an updation from three different companies. Three different companies are hiring candidates, that is freshers with 0 years of experience. So let's see what are those like eligibility criteria and what is the qualities they're looking forward in candidates for them. Everything. So share this video among your friends who is a job seeker. And now let's get started with that. So first we have the SAP here. SAP is hiring for the developer associate software development operations. So you can see like what are the job role that you will be taking care of. All these kind of things you can go through this and know about it. Now here you can see the education and qualification and the skills or competence, which is the eligibility criteria. University, business or IT degree or equivalent. Strong problem solving with good leadership, decision making, analytical skills. Strong knowledge of ABAP, OO or Java programming, functional knowledge in HR or FICO area will be an added advantage. Excellent communication skills, presentation, verbal and written, motivated, proactive, and self-starter experience at working as a part of a team. Okay, so here when you just cross-check all these skills, you can just see that they want you to have some basic, basic kind of IT things. Okay, IT technology kind of things, and all the others are something like a soft skill. So if you have confidence in you, like there is no much knowledge criteria to go, so only soft skills having the greater importance here. So if this is for you, then you can definitely apply. This is a bright opportunity to go for. And here you can see the required language is English, very good written and spoken skills. Work experience 0 to 2 years of experience in support or customer facing environment or development. SAP background is added advantage. Okay, if you don't have the SAP background too, it's completely fine. They have just mentioned like it is an added advantage. It is not a mandatory thing. So you can just go through this. It is applicable for the freshers, and also this is giving more importance to the soft skills. Okay, so a wide range of graduates can apply for this. So to apply for that, you can go with the apply link which is right there, and after that you have to log in to their career site. And if you have not created, if you're not having the account, you can just go with this link and create an account. And if you do have one, you can log in with the same and update your profile for this particular open. So this is your form. You can give the guest my documents. There you can give all your resume kind of things. And after that, you can go for the profile information, like your personal information, then work experience. Like if you have any, like it is applicable for freshers and work experience people too. So depending upon that, you can provide an education details, professional certificates, language, then geographic mobility, like are you ready to relocate, all these kind of things. Then job specific information. After that, you can save and apply. Okay, so this is a simple things that you have to take care of when you're applying for the SAP. Okay, so I think all these kind of things and application step, everything is so much clear to you. Okay, now moving on to the other job, which is set here, that is ATOS. So let's see what are those. So here you have to give this next, and you can see the eligibility criteria, everything they have provided like this. You have to go through all these kind of things. Okay, so you can just enlarge and read. So this is the eligibility criteria. You can see 2021 full-time graduates only for recognized universities. Courses and streams will be BA, BTech, Computer Science, Information Technology, MCA with Computer Application, and aggregate percentage minimum 60% in SSC and HSC, that is 10th, then 12th, then UG, then PG as well. And no backlogs currently. If you had backlogs, if it is cleared, it's completely fine, but you should not have any backlogs right now. And education break will be maximum 1 year break in education is allowed it from 10th SSC to highest qualification. Then drive location will be online. Requested will be good written and verbal English skills, flexible to work in any shift like morning, afternoon, night. That is 24 into 7 working days is there for this particular company. So in this, you will be getting any kind of shifts. And job locations is Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Tirunelveli, and I don't know whether I pronounce it right. Okay, that stays. And reserve the rights of allocation. Okay, that is you cannot choose anything. They will be allocating like where you will be doing all these kind of things. Okay, so if this is applicable for you, then you can definitely apply for this particular job, and you can just check this box and give the accept to move further. Then you will have some instructions to go through, like a set of guidelines you have to go through before you apply for this job. So that also you can never neglect this guidelines. Okay, don't like you have to download this PDF and just view that PDF. So don't ever think like okay, I just skip this position like this PDF. You have to go through all these kind of things. It is very important, like how do you provide your registration form, because a minute mistake in any of the fields of the registration, your candidate, your like all of your application will be getting rejected. So if you wish to get in, then you definitely have to go through all these kind of information. You can give these many other things that they are looking forward, and education details too, all these kind of things. So what they required and what they want you to submit, all these kind of things they have clearly asked. So you have to follow this, all those kind of things. Here you can see CV and file should be in doc size, maximum of 2 MB size and everything. And after that, you can just, have read carefully, check the box and go for the next. Then you'll be having a form to fill all those details, and you can just fill all of them and submit your application. Okay, it's a pretty long form actually, you have to submit for this particular position. Okay, so I think this application is also very clear to you, and obviously they used to provide well, like you can expect like 3.6 to 4 plus LPAs approximately for this position. Okay, that will be disclosed to you at the earliest through the mail itself, once you soon after you give all the details regarding that. And the star fields are mandatory, so it is very important to fill it by like you must be very mindful while filling it. Okay, so this is about the opening in ETO. So I think this is also very clear for you, all these kind of things what you have to follow. Do read each and every line before you make your registration step. It is very important. That is the first thing that you have to do. Okay, so this is all about the ETO. So now moving on to the other job, which is from Accenture. So Accenture is looking forward for the new associate query management. So here you can see 0 to 1 years of experience is what they are looking forward for in you. And the job description, everything is provided here very clearly. You can just go through that and you can just see what are the job things that you will be taking care of. So here you can see that please note this role may require you to work in rotational shifts. Qualifications is any graduate. It's applicable for the any graduate, and like batches when to take into consideration 2019 plus batches can apply for that. 2021, if you are passed out, you can definitely apply for this as well. Okay, so the location is Hyderabad, and it is serviced as non-voice support management level only, and it is yes, location Hyderabad, 0 to 1 years of experience. And coming to the package details, 3.8 plus LPAs is applicable for this position. Okay, so this is about the openings of 3 different companies, and 3 different companies opening that are presented today is having its own importance, as you know. So if you wish to get into this, make your registration at the earliest, because we don't know when the links will be getting discarded, because soon after I upload this video, it may get discarded. There are high chances. So soon after you watch this video, make sure that you do apply for that. Okay, so that's about today. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment sections, as well as sessions regarding the video content. Welcome to the comment section. So until we meet again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.